Hey guys, so today we're going to take a quick look at one of our newer features. It's called Realtor Job Post. It's a job board for realtors. Um, that's essentially the business model we built it out for. What it allows you to do as a feature in the app is create a job board, and anyone can post jobs on it, and other people can apply for those jobs. So let me quickly take you through it. This is the feature, what it looks like. You've got some settings here. You can change your, the colors and all that kind of stuff. The background, the button, all that stuff. Your time zone, blah blah blah. Then you've got the notification content. This is for the email and push notification that will go out when a job has been applied for. Okay, go back, and then you've got the job list. These are all the lists of all the different people that have posted jobs in your account. In the app. This is for people that have applied for jobs. You've got a job field here. You can ask for name, email, blah, 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 whatever you want. Take this out for now. I don't need title, description, location. Save that. So that's there. And then we've got job types. So we've got job types. You can have full-time, part-time, whatever, weekly, monthly, whatever you can create some. Just click the add button, type in a name, and away you go. The same deal with industry types. You can have different industries, and you can have different companies. So this can be done on the fly also when you're applying for the job. So I'm going to take you quickly through it in the app. I've got it hidden here in our blue app. So this is what the UI looks like. Again, you can customize the color schemes here. So I'm going to take a look at. I don't think I posted this one. Yep, I did not post this one. So I can apply for this job. Okay, so I've seen some information here posted on blah, blah, blah. Job description test. I hit the apply button, and boom, my other device just got a push notification saying new application, exactly with the messaging, which worked perfectly. There's also this one. I think I posted this one. So this is one I posted. I've made a job here, and I have the ability to make it active, inactive, or fulfilled. If it's fulfilled, that other people will not be able to apply for it anymore. This green button down here, plus sign down here, this is the this is the application, or not the application, the form you use to set up a new job. You enter your information. This info is pulled from the user profile, and just basically fill all these fields in, hit submit, and away you go. It's done. It's that simple. It's pretty clean, and happy with the way it turned out. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.